Hello and welcome to Maths by SAS. This is my fourth lesson of D2, chapter number 2, exercise 2D, that is about this solving simultaneous linear equations through graphical method. In this lesson, I will solve basic level question number 1, E part. Question says, solve the following simultaneous equations using graphical method. Let's read the question first. Question is 2x plus 5y equals to 25 and 3x minus 2y equals to 9. I will solve this question through intercept method. So what I have to do for x-intercept, what we have to do, we have to put y equals to 0 in the given equation. So when I will be putting y equals to 0, it will take the form 2x plus 5 times 0 equals to 25. This vector will become 0 and I will have 2x equals to 25, or x will be equal to 25 by 2, which is equal to 12.5. So one of the point will be A, 12.5 with 0. Now coming to the y-intercept, for y-intercept, what we have to do, we have to put x equals to 0 in the given equation, and when I'm putting x equals to 0, the equation will take the form 2 into 0 plus 5y equals to 25, 0 plus 5y equals to 25, or 5y equals to 25, y equals to 25 by 5, which is equal to 5. So the second point will be B, 0 with 5. So what we have to do, we have to mark these 2 points on the graph paper in order to get the line. First point is A, 12.5 with 0. So I have to move and come on x-axis at 12.5. This is 12, and right in between 12 and 13 I have 12.5. And the second point, this is A 12.5 and 0, and the second point is 0 with 5. As x value is 0, it will be coming on y-axis. This is the second point, and it is B, 0 with 5. Now let's pass the line through these 2 points in order to get the graph of this line. So the line will be like this. Okay, slightly it has gone, okay, but it's okay. Now let me mark the equation. This is 2x plus 5y equals to 25. Now let's move to the second line, that is 3x minus 2y equals to 9. Again, for x-intercept, what we have to do, we have to put y equals to 0 in the given equation, and the equation will take the form 3x minus 2 into 0 equals to 9, or 3x equals to 9, or x equals to 9 by 3, or x equals to 3. So one of the point will be C, 3 with 0. Now moving to the y-intercept, for y-intercept, what we have to do, y-intercept, we have to put x equals to 0 in the given equation, and when I'm putting x equals to 0, equation takes the form 3 into 0 minus 2y equals to 9, or 0 minus 2y equals to 9, or minus 2y equals to 9, and I have to get value of y. So I'll be shifting 2 to other side, minus 9 by 2, or y equals to minus 4.5. So the other point D will take the form 0 with minus 4.5. Now let's quickly mark these 2 points on the line on the graph paper. So C3 with 0, x value is 3, y is 0. Point will be coming over here on x-axis. What is the reason? Because the y value is 0, and whenever we have y value 0, point will be marked on x-axis. That's why it's called x-intercept. For the other point, that is D, 0 with minus 4.5, y value is minus 4.5. So the point will be coming right in between 4 and 5. This is D, 0 with minus 4.5. Now let me draw the line carefully that will pass through these 2 points, and the line will take the form, let me draw the line. Let me fix the ruler. It should not move at all. Fix the ruler. It should not move at all. And the line will be like this. Now we have to see that at what point both the lines are cutting or meeting each other. That will be the intersection point or the solution. This is the line for 3x minus 2y equals to 9. If we look at the graph carefully, we can see that this is the point where both the lines are cutting, meeting each other. So what will be the point here? First of all, we have to read value of x, and value of x is 5. And in front of this, the value of y will be, in front of that value of y will be 3. So the solution for this situation will be 5 and 3. So the solution is 5 and 3. 5 and 3, x value is 5 and y value is 3. I hope you are clear about this lesson. For next difficulty level, please catch me in the next class. Watch my lesson, like, share and subscribe the channel, and press bell icon to get the notification of every lesson in time. Thank you.